Hi guys, my name is Zareen, and in this video I'm gonna talk to you about how I got a 99 for IGCSE Math. So I did my exams this year in May, June, and I got a 99 from Math. And in this video I'm gonna share my experience as well as some tips and tricks on what I did so you can get 100 in Math. So just before I start, I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. For Math, like if you want to do well in Math, the only thing you have to do is practice. Like if I was being realistic, this video would just be 2 seconds long. Like I'll just tell you to practice and that is it. But I'm just gonna like give you more in-depth like reasons and like solutions, I guess. Okay, so let's start with my experience. So I got 99 because I lost 2 marks. I didn't lose just a single mark. You can lose up to like 2-3 marks to get 99 because of grade thresholds and whatnot. I don't really know, but like I lost 2 marks in the paper 2. So I did extended math, so not core math, because core math the highest you can get is a C. So for extended math I did paper 2 and paper 4, and the thing is, like always, it's been both calculator papers, but since this year, since 2025, they changed it into a non-calc for paper 2 and a calc for paper 4. And that's where the catch was, because they changed the syllabus, right? And I did not go through the syllabus by myself. I mean, obviously we went through in school, but I didn't go through in depth. And then the thing that I got wrong was something new added to the syllabus. So what I got wrong was something about reciprocal graphs, and that was a new thing that was added to, like the asymptotes of reciprocal graphs, and it was added to the syllabus recently. So obviously they tested it, but I didn't go through, so I didn't when I lost the 2 marks and I lost the 100. So for you guys to get the 100, just go through the syllabus. Even if it's not a new syllabus, I think the syllabus is a very important document and it's there for a reason. So please go through it. Like, you have to know what is in there. You have to revise only what's tested. Just don't go through the textbook, because sometimes the textbooks have old stuff that are no longer the syllabus, so you're learning it for no reason. And use the syllabus as a checklist. I know the syllabus is like a really long document, and there is like so many pages and so many things like this core and this extended, but it's like something you have to go through for your own good. So you can see that like this is what the syllabus looks like. It's just like a document that says Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics and your syllabus code. And this is like at the bottom, like towards the ending, you see changes to the syllabus, right? So this is the most important thing. Even if you don't go through the entire syllabus, like if you don't have time, just go through the changes. And the changes is where the new things are stated, and obviously if they do changes, they're gonna bring that in the new paper. So it's very important to go through the syllabus. So that is my number 1 advice, because I'm a victim of not going through the syllabus, and I don't want you guys to go through the same thing. Okay, so now let's go through like actually learning the topics. So in my opinion, IGCSE Math is definitely one of the simplest IGCSE subjects out there, and it's like the easiest one to get 100 in. So let's talk about learning. Okay, so when you look at the contents, they're just few like numbers, and they're just 9. But then there is so much in-depth things that you have to know about them. So the first thing you have to do obviously is to master the topics, like master topic wise and move on. You have to learn all the content. And for me, I was really lucky because my teacher at school, he was amazing. He was like the best math teacher I've ever had. But like I think math for IG level is not that difficult. Like if your teacher is decent, you'll understand. But if you don't, then you have to learn on your own, and that is through YouTube mostly. Textbook is for practice, but through YouTube. And YouTubers that I would recommend are Mathlead by Sad and the Ginger Mathematician, or just like search the topic. Like every single topic, you can get a different person who teaches it well. Just search the topic and go through the YouTube videos. Just go through like several of them until you understand, and then practice. That's like math is practice. That is basically it. So obviously after you've gone through like the content, now past papers. That's the main thing. Past papers, because math is not something you memorize. Math is how much practice you do. So once again, I go back to the thing I said in the beginning. Math is practice. So you have to start practicing early, because the textbooks, like if you practice through the textbook, they don't necessarily have exam style questions. So first you start early obviously, like start like immediately you're done, like not through like every single topic, like immediately you're done with the topic, start doing past papers on it. And like towards the end, like now that you're finished learning most of the content, start doing time practices, because time is very, very important. Like if like I had a friend who's really good at math, but the thing is she was not really fast. She couldn't do it fast. I mean, she could, but I don't know what she did, but she just went slowly, and that really affected her. Like she could have gotten 100, but maybe because of the timing it affected her. And when you're marking by yourself, like when you're practicing and marking, mark strictly. Don't give yourself free marks, like, oh my days, I knew that. Like if you mark yourself strictly, you remember, oh my days, I did that wrong, and then you remember to do the right thing the next time. And when you get something wrong, make sure you, like, these are like normal things that I'm saying, but these are really, really impactful, like redoing wrong questions and learning why you lost the mark. Okay, so these are like normal things, but what I would personally tell you to do is learn the mark scheme trend. So as you do past papers, you look at the mark scheme, you look at trends in the mark scheme, like where you earn marks. Like there's some workout steps that you don't have to do, because if you do them, you don't get a mark for it. And the last thing I'd say is go over your answers. This is like during tests, during exams, anything. Like always try to do your paper at least twice, because that's what I did for my IGs. I finished the paper fast and I did it twice. So I'll do the paper twice to make sure that both my answers are matching. And when they're not matching, then I do it again. This is the way to eliminate errors and make sure that you get every single thing correct. And over here, Examate, I think is a really, really good site where you can get topical past papers. You do have to pay, but I think it's worth it because you get it for every single subject. And yeah, so that is everything I had to tell you. And the most important thing I feel like you have to know is your mindset. You have to fix your mindset, because the only thing you need is confidence. Like the day of your exams, don't stress. Like math is easy. You'll do well. Like there's no way you're gonna fail math, okay? Like for me, the days I had my math exams, I was literally in the morning, I was so chill. Like all of my friends were just freaking out and doing like really hard math questions. I said, it's over. Like what has happened has happened. I was just chilling, because I don't think you should stress the morning of your exams. If it's like a different exams, then sure. But math, no, I don't think you should do that, because you just need to be calm and collected, because I just think you should. Okay, but here's where I warn you. Math and add math are not the same, because I did both math and add math, and math was my highest grade. I got a 99, but add math was actually my lowest grade. I still got an A, but it was my lowest grade. So it shows you how much harder add math is. So if you're looking at this video and thinking the same thing for add math, please don't, because add math requires like way more practice. Like I did so much practice for add math. I didn't even practice for math, and look where that got me. But yeah, the thing I'm gonna tell you is, IGCSE math, you just need to practice and be confident in yourself. That is it. Like just believe you can do it and you'll be fine. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and if your exams are coming up really soon, good luck, and I hope you make 100% and you can tell everyone you're a world topper for math, which is really cool. Like I used to see these videos where people used to say they're world toppers for math, and in my head I'll be like, oh my days, if I get 100 I can also do that for my video, but I didn't. So I'll just put like 99 in my thumbnail. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Bye.